In this video, I want to introduce the next section of the course, which is going to be all about how to get on radio shows and podcasts. You can be a guest there.
This video is brought to you by Oppie Pies Academy.
And promote your business. And you can do this all for free. This is a free service. Of course, they have paid options, but you can get done a lot for free. This is RadioGuestList.com. All you do is enter your email and name and sign up. And what they do is every day they'll send you email. And in those emails, they'll list some radio shows and some podcasts that are looking for guests. So for example, if you are an expert in leadership and you wrote a book maybe, and they have a podcast that's looking for guests in leadership, then you can apply to be a guest on that podcast. And because it will be a match in topic, and it would be likely that you'd be invited as a guest. And to apply to these shows, it's all free. I've personally used this. In 1 year, I've booked myself for free over 50 podcast and radio show appearances. That means about one a week on average for free without hiring a freelancer, without having a publicity firm, anything like that. And I took the videos that are going to be coming up from my course on RadioGuestList.com. I have a separate kind of a niche course on this. And so for your convenience, I added that course, the content from that course. The bulk of it is in the section that you're going to get now. So you don't have to get that course. It's here for you for free as an extra. And to sign up for this, you basically just go to RadioGuestList.com. I'll have the link in the resources section of this video. You enter your email and name and sign up, and then you're going to start getting those emails from the service. And in the next videos, I'm going to show you how to use it and how to increase the chances of your pitches being accepted so you get invited to radio shows and podcasts.